Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where to find information on the HiPaint application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the question icon on the upper right corner of the screen, and here you can find tips and information about the app and the how to use the app. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.